MashaAllah. Look at this, man. It is beautiful. If you see carefully, in every branch, you'll find honeybees. They're collecting honey. Yeah, they're busy. They're busy with collecting honeys. Amazing. I never ever seen such views. A lot of honeybees here in the Donia field. I don't know the exact English meaning of Donia. For that very reason, I used it. Probably you guys will enjoy this. Huge, huge amounts of honeybees here, and also some other flowers that is called in my local area Shorishar Khat. Even I don't know the meaning of English meaning of Shorisha. Very nice. If you find, hardly you'll find the empty branch of Shorisha flower here. Maximum of them occupied by this beautiful insect. I mean honeybees. But they are harmless now. They're not gonna bite you because they are busy. They're doing something very special job for the sake of themselves and for the sake of ourselves too. Because we collect honey from their nest and we enjoy it. And honey is a very delicious food and also very helpful to our health to maintain. In a few ayats of Quran al-Kareem, Almighty Allah described about honey and honeybees. There is a surah named An-Nahl. It means honey or honeybees. Except this, behind the flowers, it is the scenario of the village, the countryside of our nation. It's not that types of unique, but it is as others place of Bangladesh. Yeah, a guy is also with me, a mota guy, and there is a unique crop field in my local area. It is not available here. The wheat field, it is called gom field. I mean wheat, atta gas. Usually our farmers don't do this in their field because our area is not that much cold one, but the wheat field need quite cold area. For that very reason, our farmers try to grow paddy better than other crops like wheat and others. But probably this farmer selected this unique crops for his own choice. But probably he will get a good harvest, inshallah. But there is a problem here. Inside the field, there is something fishy here because there is a drains like thing happened here. Probably some fox or any animals did this. But I don't know what is all this, but it made me happy. In this evening, I mean afternoon, I am enjoying a lot. Before coming here, I was thinking about this, that I want to visit somewhere like this and pass some good moments with the field. So thanks